Here we have the Range Rover SVR in Sanguinello Orange. This is a 5 litre V8 engine, 575 brake horsepower, and goes from 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. This is the carbon edition. You have 22-inch gloss black alloys, a powered tailgate. You have the SVR badging on the back, and keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you have the SVR carbon illuminated tread plates and a vintage tan and ebony interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. A front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you want to keep refreshments cold on long journeys. You have a 10-inch display screen, which is also touchscreen, and you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool, especially in the dark. You also have sat-nav with a wide screen, making it easier to see. You can connect your phone to make calls whilst driving, and you also have a rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel, and you do also have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which is handy for long journeys and driving along the motorway, making it safer. You also have a heated steering wheel, along with heated front seats, which is a luxury especially in winter. The front seats are also memory, which is handy if you've got several people driving the car, and you also have a Meridian sound system. You have the SVR badging on the wheel, as well as the carbon fibre trim finisher. This car is brand new and therefore has only done 15 miles. And you also have head-up display, which is great as it stops you getting distracted looking back down. Stepping back outside the car, you also have soft door close. And that was the Range Rover SVR. If you're interested in this carbon edition, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.